Njengoba sekusobala ukuthi izwe libhekene nenkiyankiya ye-coronavirus, liyenyuka nezinga lamabhizinisi nabantu abelula isandla ukuhlenga imisebenzi nokwehlisa umthelela waleli gciwane. Inkampani zomshwalensi iSantam imemezele ukuthi ibeke eceleni imali eyizigidi eyingamakhulu amabili amarandi ukwelekelela amakhasimende ayo nalabo-ke abayihlinzeka ngey'nsiza. Lo mshwalense uphonsa nasesivivaneni sesikhwama esisungulwe nguhulumeni, iSolidarity Fund.
Inkampani zabucala zimaxhapheshu uzama uncedisa ekulweni lentsholongwane ye-corona. uSantam wenze elakhe igalelo namhlanje.
This is a titanic human struggle that is unprecedented in our lifetimes. It is a time that calls for sound leadership, courage, and adhering to the new ways of managing our everyday lives. From a Santam Group perspective, we are pleased with the decisive response by the authorities and encouraged by the leadership shown by President Cyril Ramaphosa and the government. As a caring South African corporate, we are working alongside government and other stakeholders to help alleviate the suffering of fellow South Africans and to minimize the financial impact of the crisis.
Inkampani ezisakhasayo zakuzuza lukhulu kweligalelo elenziwe nguSantam Group. Ikanti le nkampani kwazibophelele ekutheni iseza kuqhubeka ngonyusa imivuzo yabasebenzi ibe iza kuzama kangangoko ungadendi basebenzi ngelithuba lalenhlekele.
We have decided to take a decisive stand and do all we can to support efforts to flatten the curve and lessen the economic impact on fellow South Africans. It is critical that we stay safe, stay at home, and stop the spread of this highly contagious virus.
Ikosathu ilwamkele ngezandla ezishushu elinyathelo. Imanelisi Dubase wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.